Hi everyone, my name is Deepak Deshmukh. I hope you all great. Today I am going to share with you how I read books and it will help you a lot. Please watch the video till the end and thank you for coming here. Without wasting time, let's start. So, as you can see here, I have one book, one notebook and one dictionary. This is very old dictionary but it is helping me a lot. So, as you can see, this is a very great book. I am reading right now and I am also applying these principles in my life. And I am getting lots of energy and positiveness and happiness in my life. So I also recommend you to purchase these books because we all spend money on the other things, but we have to spend money on for ourselves also, for our mind, for our body. So this investment you can make. So, without wasting time, I am going to share with you how I read books. So, you can see here in this book very little paragraphs, and you can read one paragraph, and if you get any unfamiliar word, you can check in the dictionary. So, I have one highlighter. If you get any unfamiliar word, you if you don't know meaning of word, you can highlight this word and you can write on your notebook, and then you can check the synonyms, antonyms, whatever you want to see, you can see later. And highly recommend you this book because in this book author used very simple language, daily life language. In this book, author not used high advanced English, and there are very simple words in these books. If you are beginner to learn English, you can purchase these books, and this is book for your personal growth also, and you can get more knowledge from this book. So you can see here, you can read your right to be rich. If is your right to be rich, you are here to lead the abundant life and be happy, radiant, and free. You should therefore have all the money you need to lead a fully happy and prosperous life. You are here to grow, expand, and unfold spiritually, mentally, and Materially, you have the inalienable right to fully develop and express yourself along all lines. You should surround yourself with beauty and luxury. Why be satisfied with just enough to go around when you can enjoy the riches of your subconscious mind? In this chapter, you can learn to make friends with money, and you should always have a surplus. Your desire to be rich is a desire for a fuller, happier, more wonderful life. It is a cosmic urge. It is not only good but very good. So, as you can read here, your right to be rich. Author is saying us you can be rich, but you have to know all principles of your subconscious mind, how to use your subconscious mind. And if you know that, I give guarantee, my friends, you will see miracles happening in your life. Miracles. Yes. So here I got one unfamiliar word. If you don't know meaning of prosperous, you can highlight it. Abundant, you can highlight it. And after highlighting these words, you can note down in the notebook. So I have to note down, right? Where is my pen? Okay. So abundant, abundant, then prosperous. Every single day, if you write down 10 words, it's enough. After 1 year, you can't imagine that you will be very fluent in English. Very fluent in English. This is my old Sorry, it's not mine, but it's belong to my friend, and my friend gave me this dictionary, and I am applying this. I am using this dictionary. So here you can get synonyms, antonyms. It will grow your vocabulary and all that kind of things. So I hope you like this book and video also, and I am reading like this books. So it's my process to reading books, and I have other book is here is The Power of Now. This is also book I read in the morning. Every day in the morning I used to read this book, and it's my favorite book. So make an investment on your books, and book will help you a lot. So this is I want to tell you from that video. Best of luck. Don't stop. This is your life. Hello my dear friends. Everyone wants great life, but everyone doesn't want to do like that. If you want great life, you have to make great efforts for that life. So make sure to invest on your mind. Don't waste your time. Invest your time on reading books. Today's readers are tomorrow's leaders. And it is a perfect habit for success. As you can see, successful people, they are readers. So invest your times on reading, and you can make this habit first. It's a very great habit. So I hope you like it video. Subscribe to my channel, share it, comment it, and see you in next video. Take care. Have a wonderful time. Bye bye.